Hey Techstars, just giving you guys a quick demo of our updated website that will be live in about a week or two. Again, this is the classroom page over here. You have your subjects that students can enter and learn about. Just going over this, essential tips actually will be fun facts. There will be a new fun fact that's posted every single day. And then over here we'll have a mascot that goes through a series of animations. When you click on them, think of Microsoft Clip. Campaign mode, this will come a little bit later. Have some fun. If the student is tired of studying, they just want to break, they'll click that and it'll prompt them to a game that we created. It's got about 100 levels and it'll just go through a couple of things that they can do. Okay. Put some bullets on there, have fun. Okay, and then the anatomy minigame, again, you click on something, gives you something about that system. Okay, going back to the actual site, you got your exams, you can take, you got your videos, and then you got your exam solutions, your outlines as well. You take an exam. Yep. Hopefully this was very informational.